Hey Space Cowboys, it's Seasonal Frostbite and welcome back. I'm back. If you're new on here, welcome. I'm Seasonal Frostbite. If you want to be a space cowboy, come join me. I just found out that maybe I should introduce myself since you don't know who I am. Now, I'm Seasonal Frostbite and I'm a mixed media artist and I express myself through dolls and art, but mainly dolls because this is the doll channel for adults. Believe it or not, if you like dolls, you're in the right spot. Like, I make art. I make doll art, doll portraits, if it's doll related, I do it, you know? If it's doll related, I do it. That's what I do. And I also paint, I also do a lot of stuff, but you just gotta know I'm an artist and this is my doll channel, so hello. Anyways, I got tagged. They called me out. They called your girl out. And it was Broken Dolly TV. They're doing a Broken Dolly TV 2021. I really was about to just say 2020. I really was. A 2021 challenge. I am basically going to help restore the closeness that we used to feel in our adult doll community. And I always feel like in order to do that, we have to be an example. And so here we are. Where's the friendship? Where's the collab? This is the collab. So what Gypsy told us to do from Broken Dolly TV, they told us to basically make a 2021 doll related goals. So I have some goals, even though I am really terrible at completing goals. So I kind of don't like to call them goals because to me they sound like wishes. So I'm just gonna tell you straight up what's gonna happen in 2021 on this channel. Those of you who don't know, which a lot of you don't know, we were supposed to be doing a stop motion that was supposed to tie the collaboration all the way in. But at the time, oh God, I was so stressed the hell out. Like everything that was supposed to go wrong went wrong. And I finally pretty much finished the project. And it's gonna be like, look, nobody's really watching me these days. So I'm gonna speak it into existence today, right now, and you're here to witness this because you an OG. And I know my OGs be watching me. So I'm going to finish that this year. Like, it's finished per se. There is some reshooting I want to do and upgrading the set, but that's coming in February. So I'm hoping to get that out in February. And if it's not, if I finish late in February, which maybe I will, maybe I won't, I don't care. It's coming. I'm just releasing it out into the world. Let it go, and then it will be yours to watch, you know? So that's the first thing I want to do, is repair some of those working relationships. I really appreciate Broken Dolly TV still working with me, even though for the past 4 years while I was doing my most extensive, like literally the past 4 years, just art classes, no other classes. Like, yeah, I took sewing classes, but those count as art classes apparently. But that's what I've been doing for 4 years straight. So that is goal number one, or that is what's going to happen. That is goal number one, I guess. Goal number two, what's going to happen is I would love to, I have a whole entire book filled, well, not book, but digital gallery, because I did this on Procreate. I have an entire list of dolls that I have designs and all that kind of stuff that I have released to the public and on Instagram, but I'm not going to release it here. You can just go look on Instagram or at www.instagram.com/seasonalfrostbite, or you can just wait till I come up with those videos. One of the designs I'm really excited about doing is a kurhn. I really wanted to do her. She's my fall themed doll who's a bit steampunk. And one of my goals for my channel overall is to bring you black fantasy, a little Wakanda, natural hair, just black excellence, black girl excellence, like all packaged into dolls. Like we're really getting into it this year, and my designs have been getting harder and harder and more challenging for me, and that's just customizing. We're not getting into the dolls that I'm going to be doing my own doll line until that is done. So that brings me to, was this 3? That brings me to the next goal. I would love to get my prototype done for Endless Dolls, and by doing that, I would hope to start doing videos where I'm just sculpting and casting and making dolls from scratch, and hoping to mass produce those in my own studio. I think I will start with 20 because I'm by myself, and raise capital, and yeah, have that available for you guys via Etsy at www.etsy.com/seasonalfrostbite. Look at all these plugs, and if you mad about it, then you can just go home. Okay. Anywho, so the next goal is finish my studio, which I need to get it into working condition. We're still having issues with the heater and insulation, so we decided that we're gonna just spend money on new insulation. It just has to be done. It's too cold down there, and then when it's summertime, it's still too hot as well. We're still working on that, and I'm just at this point, I'm just gonna be working around. I'm going to be a little uncomfortable for a bit and work around the discomfort as much as I can, because I also have to, in February, I also have to be working on Endless Dollhouse, which is, my line of quality oak dollhouses that come with everything that's interchangeable. It's beautiful. We'll talk about that. Oh, I want to be like, I'm going to be like anonymous. Expect us. And it's dolls. Expect us. Like, I'm just ridiculous. Anywho, so that's that goal. And then I think that's it. Besides taking some classes that I'm thinking about taking, and thinking about my master's, seeing if I should just go ahead and see if they have master programs online because of COVID. And that means my choices for what I want to do, because of course it's going to be drawing and painting, but there's not a lot of it. And that's if I get a scholarship, because your girl is in the student loans. When they come, they'll come with a vengeance, and I don't know what to do about that, but they're coming with a vengeance. They're coming with a vengeance. They're probably going to take my everything. Anyways, you can see my anxiety there. I think that my biggest and main important goal is that I want to rebuild this community, rebuild our relationships, and get that closeness that we used to get. It feels like everybody is in their own bubble these days, and we need each other. And I think the best part about dolls in general is people. Dolls imitate life, guys, and with other people, playing dolls with other people is awesome. We don't even have to be in person for that. We want to commune with each other online, and let's show up for each other in 2021. And by doing this tag, that's what I'm doing. I'm showing up. I'm showing up for my fellow doll community. Are you going to show up? So this year I am practicing better boundaries, not with just my relationships, but with you guys. Like, there were times where I would be promising things that I know I felt in my heart that I could get it done, but mentally and all the stress I was going through with school, there was no way. I wanted to show up for you guys and be there for you, but it ended up, me making promises that I couldn't keep, and they just piling up. And then I also found that I was making promises to people who weren't even going to show up for me. Do you know what I mean? Like, I was promising people who weren't even like followers. So it was just like, they would never, if I even did it, they were never going to see it. And this year I want to practice better boundaries with that. I know that you guys understood like what's going on, and I have a life outside of here and outside of my dolls. I do. But I want to be held accountable for me, I want to take responsibility. There is nothing wrong with apologizing when you feel like you've done wrong. I think that is probably the best thing I can give to you guys this year is, I'm sorry. And this year, all I can really do is be better this year. But yeah, like, I want to be held accountable for my promises and all kinds of things like that. Like, That is how we get things done. In the sense that if you tag me in something, please ask me, because I don't want you to look stupid when I don't do it, because whatever reason I have for not doing a tag, please ask me first. I think we should start doing that for challenges as well, because yeah, like this is the homegirl Gypsy asking me to do this, so I was like, of course. You told me about it though, and I was like, it seems easy enough and I can do it. So basically, I want you guys to give each other a chance to show up, a chance to rise to the occasion for each other. And by giving a little heads up, that looks better on both our parts and nobody gets their feelings hurt. And I can't believe I'm so corny, but it's for real. We have so many feelings and we should take care of each other. As a community, let's take care of each other. Let's take care of each other's feelings and all kinds of stuff like that, you know? Let's be friends. Like SpongeBob. That is the end of this tag challenge, and I am going to tag Everything Dolls here on YouTube. Can't wait to see your video, boo boo. Thank you for showing up for Broken Dolly TV and for me. And Doll Arts and Crafts, DAC. Y'all know the homie DAC. Thank you again for showing up for Broken Barbie TV and for me, of course, so you know we don't look crazy out here doing things by ourselves. I'd like to tag I Dolled It on YouTube. Thank you so much for supporting Broken Dolly TV and me, and I just want to say thank you guys, because just for understanding, like, our community is just not as close as it used to be, so let's repair that. We're all stuck in our own bubbles. We are better when we show up for each other, because the doll community used to be not just about dolls, it used to be about us. So in 2021, let's make this better. Now, and if I asked you to be in this tag and you declined, you know, or you're thinking about doing this tag and someone asked you, let me give you a little convincing. You know you want to do it. Why you making it hard, girl? Why you making it hard? You making it hard? What you doing that for? Stop playing hard to get, you know. You stop playing hard to get. We know you cute. We know you a bad bitch. We get it. Okay, honey? We get it. Still come play with us. Come out to play. Come out to play. Come serve us some looks. Show your talent. And I hate to be like, yeah, let's all be friends, guys. But for real, let's all be friends. Everyone in our community, I want you guys to know that you are needed and you are loved. And I'm remembering to say that to the people that I care about and to the people I just don't know. You are needed and you are loved. Remember that. Anyways, sorry for this little bitty rant, but I just see the state of our doll community and it is not where it used to be. It's not where it used to be. And I'm hopeful that we can come together and fix it, right? We can fix it. It doesn't have to be like this, okay? It doesn't have to be like this, okay? It's already crazy outside, as you know. So let's make our communities a safe place for us, right? Remember, go out into the world, create something awesome. And if you don't, you're gonna carry that weight. See you, Space Cowboy.
Cool, 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 baby. Cool, 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 baby. Baby, I love you. Cool, 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 baby. Cool, 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 baby. Maybe I